Hello guys, thank you so much for being here. So today we will be talking about the types of domain name. So let's get started. So what are the types of domain name? We have generic domain names. A generic domain name is a name that defines a general category rather than a specific or personal instance. For example, the name of an industry rather than the company name. Here are a few examples of generic names: hotel.com, music.com, bits.net, brochure.info. What is an exact match domain name? An exact match domain name, or EMD as abbreviation, is a website domain that includes the keywords you are targeting or searching right in the search engines. For example, the exact match domain name of a family lawyer in California would be californiafamilylawyer.com or familylawyercalifornia.com. Other examples: buycar.net, playgames.com. And we have also brandable domain names. A brandable domain name is a non-keyword name with no particular descriptive meaning. This kind of brand names don't tell people what the business is about the first time they see it. Brandable domain names are often made-up words, and they are short and easy to spell and to remember, which makes most startups love this kind of names. Here are a few examples: pinterest.com, instagram.com, tiktok.com, google.com, and we have also lodiv.com, docaf.com, very.net. As you can see, they are very short, and if you see or hear that name like in the first, second or third time, you will remember it easily. That's why they are preferable for the startups and the small or even growing businesses. And we have acronym domain names. Acronym is simply a domain name that contains abbreviation letters, because short and simple always makes it easy for people to remember your domain name. Few examples: dhl.com, which stands for the first last name of the three co-founders of dhl.com. We have btc.com, which is an abbreviation of Bitcoin. We have also byvh.com, which is an abbreviation for buy your virtual house or home.com. We do have also fb.com, which we all know is for facebook.com. And here we have numeric domain names. So numeric domain names are domain names made up of purely numbers, digit. Example: 12345.com, 112233.net, and so on. And here we do have alphanumeric domain names. Alphanumeric domain name is a mix of both numbers and letters, but not every number would be a great fit for these domain names. Few examples: trademark247.com, fees247.com, g2a.com, fight24.net. That's it for today. So hope you learned something today from this video. Thank you so much for being here once again. Mustapha was here, MrFulltime.com.